Hey, it's Kasim with your daily Google News, and today I'm here to tell you that Google has done the unthinkable. I'm just kidding. We all knew this was coming. Google has canceled expanded text ads. Here's the announcement. First thing, just a quick aside, and something that I'd love to hear. 15% of search queries every day are new searches we've never seen before. I've seen Google present similar data points in the past, but it's cool that even now, 2021, like that continues to be true. I think that means that we might have a future ahead of us. But more to the point, starting June 30th, 2022, so they're giving us almost a year, responsive search ads will be the only search ad type that can be created or edited in standard search campaigns. Now, I have seen new campaigns where expanded text ads aren't available in the ad builders. You actually have to go seek them out. So Google's already kind of taken this away from people, but they're basically saying in almost a year, you're not going to have these available to you, accessible to you, period. Now, this wouldn't be a huge deal, except at that time, you'll no longer be able to create or edit your existing expanded text ads. So to prepare for this change, we recommend that you have at least one responsive search ad in every ad group in your search campaigns by June 30, 2022. Here's what this means, in my opinion. Google is about to start deprioritizing your campaigns if you don't have responsive search ads. And if you think that I'm wrong, then look at everything they've ever done in the history of ever. That's their very subtle way of saying this is one of the things that we're going to use as a back end, semi-quality score. So please make sure that even if you have, really well tenured campaigns, go in there, add responsive search ads, which, by the way, might be at your disadvantage, because if you have some campaigns and ad groups that are just crushing life, and you've done all the split testing that you could possibly do, and you've really settled on the ad copy that works, and then you go build responsive ad copy, either you're going to add the options, which gives Google the ability to split test, but kind of throws things off kilter, or you're going to cheat the system, which we have a video that'll teach you how to do that, and pin headline 1, 2, and 3 where they go, descriptions 1 and 2 where they go. But the issue with that is I have a feeling that Google might actually get a little pissy with that approach. So you'll just have to see what type of impact this will have on old campaigns. These are like, the stale campaigns that are just you're playing set it and forget it with, which, I don't know that many of us are going to have too many of those just because markets change so much. But if you've got an old market with not a lot of competition and you've just been playing the, let it run game, then this is definitely for you. Pay attention. Google's just a roving band of assassins driving around killing all the functionality that we're used to. This part was just funny. Here's Google. Most importantly, pair broad match keywords and smart bidding with responsive search ads. Most importantly, give us as much opportunity to spend as much money as we can on your behalf without permission. And there's nothing wrong with this, by the way. We call this broadimation, and it works. But it only works when it works. And that's not always. I also love that automation is the key to keeping pace with these trends. Is it? Is it, Google? Is it really? That's it. I'm going to include a link to the article in the description. Nothing we didn't see coming. But it's just important for us to know that, this is an interesting step towards not necessarily just automation as much as it is more multifaceted marketing campaigns. Because there was, we've been split testing expanded text ads versus responsive search ads since they came out. And responsive search ads always win. Always. They only never don't win. And so I think that kind of speaks to the fact that this is one of those things that Google, I think, is allowed to age out without us, getting all up in arms. It's not like search terms that we're using every damn day, which, by the way, are coming back, apparently. Google promised an announcement on that, and I haven't seen nada. So if you know something I don't, please let me know. That's all I got. So, good video. Appreciate you all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do the things. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.